What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to cancel auto payment subscription on the Google Play Store. So if you have any app or software that is on the Google Play Store and you subscribe to before and they are constantly taking your money, but you want to stop or cancel the payment subscription, all you just have to do is to open up the Google Play Store on your phone. And then once the Google Play Store opens up, you want to click on your profile icon at the top right corner over here. Now you're going to see the payment and subscriptions option. Just select that, and then from over here just go ahead and select subscriptions, and on this page you should be able to see all of the automatic payment subscriptions that are currently active on the Google Play Store on your phone. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the automatic payment subscription that you want to cancel from the Google Play Store. In my case, it is the Lightroom photos and video editor over here. I'll just select that for instance. And then to cancel the subscription at the bottom, you can literally see the cancel payment subscription option over here. I'll go ahead and select that, and then just go ahead and click on the cancel subscription. But before then, you can also just read all of the information over here. Basically, if you have any active subscription, it is still going to be on even after you cancel the subscription until the time for that particular subscription elapses. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the cancel at the bottom over here. And just like so, we have now been able to cancel the payment subscription for this particular software from the Google Play Store. At this point, you should also get a notification or email from Google letting you know that your subscription has been cancelled. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.